Hello makers, it's Joel from Maker Studio and I'm here with another 2-minute maker. Today we're going to be talking about everyone's least favorite topic, and that is assessment. Put 2 minutes on the clock, here we go. Okay, assessment is difficult in a makerspace. You want that authentic learning experiences that we all know that a makerspace provides. However, assessing what students are doing is not always the easiest thing. So today, what I'm going to recommend to you is to have your students become content creators. There's a huge variety of things that are available to you for free or for very cheap. The first one is the most obvious, and that is have your students create YouTube videos. There is something that is called YouTube Creator Academy, which I would highly recommend that you look at. You might have privacy concerns, you might have students on the do not publish list and things like that. So that creates a whole world of different kinds of issues. The next thing that I'm going to recommend is that you have your students create podcasts. Now, for me, I use a content management system that is called Spreaker. It's very cheap, and I can create multiple podcasts. There are also other free options out there to you. I believe Podbean app that you can put on a phone. I think they might also have a Google Chromebook application that you can download as well. There's also Audacity that is a free download that you can use to do some editing and mixing. GarageBand is another cheap option if you're an Apple school. The next level of content creation that you might have students dig into is just social media. Create a Facebook page, create a LinkedIn profile, create an Instagram, create whatever social media that you would like them to create, or you could even create one through your classroom and just have students creating posts for that to upload. For upper grades, I would say LinkedIn is a great place to get their content out there and share it with the world, especially if they're doing more entrepreneurial types of projects. And then the last one is websites. So you can create a website. It's totally free. You can figure out a free way to create websites. We are a Google school, so I know that we can use sites.google.com. That's easy for me to say, right? Sites.google.com. And then there are multiple blogging platforms out there that you can use for free. So that's it. Thanks for watching.